It's an exciting week for the stock market. The S&P crossed 5,500 for the first time ever during yesterday's trading session as NVIDIA steams ahead. We are turning to Dr. B. What do you think, Justin? Do you think people are calling up their brokers and saying, hey, get me into that NVIDIA now?
I think that very well the retail investors could still be piling into NVIDIA. We are seeing actually stocks like Micron and AMD having some weakness and potentially moving capital out and rolling into NVIDIA. It's just amazing. It's really just amazed all of us and, investors all over the world for sure. The amazing rate rise in price on NVIDIA.
As the S&P is soaring, is it a time to get into the bond market?
Look, anytime the S&P, rapidly rises like this and really is kind of vertical, right? It's not this sideways, healthy chop to the upside. It's really vertical. Maybe a 50, 60, 70 degree angle on the charts. And anytime that happens, it really is safer, for sure, safer to get into bonds or maybe not smarter because it could continue to go up, but definitely safe to take profits and at least roll some of those profits over into bonds and then have some cash on the side, when the market does pull back, because it will pull back at some point. It just cannot keep going up forever.
What is your trade of the day?
Yeah, so my trade of the day is AMD. If you look at AMD here, it's up into a very strong resistance area. It's been a weak stock relative to NVIDIA. So I expect it to continue to stay weak. And, it's really second in line to NVIDIA. So as NVIDIA, as capital rotates out of AMD and likely into NVIDIA, that's when we'll see this pullback. So right around the 166, 167 area is where I'm shorting AMD, and I'd be looking to cover somewhere around 155.
Always good to have you here. Thank you, Dr. B.
Thank you so much for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.